Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Acuity Scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the currency in your Acuity Scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the currency in your Acuity Scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you want to work in the currency that your customers are signing up in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity Scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the currency you're accepting your appointments with, here on the left side, you're going to click on payment settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the payment settings, and you want to look down here to a section called payment at booking. As you can see, I work in US dollars. However, if you want to change that, just click on this little arrow. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different currencies you can go ahead and change this over into. So let's say maybe I'm going to be working in euros. My customers are working in euros, so we can go ahead and click right here. Okay, once you've chosen the currency, it's going to show up right there, but you're not quite finished until you click on the save button down here on the bottom. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, anytime my customers are going to check out on my Acuity Scheduling, they're going to see the prices in euros. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the currency in your Acuity Scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.